Welcome to Auto Text Me, technology created by a shop owner for shop owners, designed to make your work easier and your customer's experience exceptional. Auto Text Me is a cloud-based application that runs in a browser, which means there's nothing to download. It'll run seamlessly on the mobile device of your choice, whether that's a smartphone, a tablet, or an iPad. It's easy to access and very easy to use. You can add a customer to the dashboard in seconds, whether that's automatically through integration with your shop management system or manually using our Quick Add. And send your customers real-time automatic text updates, keeping them informed of the repair process as it happens. And your customers will enjoy the convenience of two-way texting. It's fast, effective, and very efficient. Create and send your customers a state-of-the-art digital vehicle inspection. And in minutes, you can create a customized digital sheet that will match your inspection process. Very easy for technicians to come in, add video, pictures, notes, and a recommendation. It's that easy. This will build your customers' trust through transparency. It'll speed up the approval process and immediately increase your ARO. And take advantage of our best-in-class workflow management solution. Customize a workflow that best fits your business needs. It could be basic or something a little more advanced. And leverage our dashboard to get instant, at-a-glance visibility into the status of every vehicle in your shop. And enjoy the peace of mind that comes from knowing that what you're working on is what you should be working on. And finally, have complete control and visibility into the workload of your technicians. And with our card view, you'll instantly know what they're working on. And with drag and drop capability, very easy to assign, prioritize, and dispatch. To learn more about Auto Text Me and what we can do for your business, go to our website and schedule a demo. And to make sure that we're a good fit for you, take us for a test drive. We offer a free 2-week trial, no obligation. If it's time for something more, better, or different, please give us a call.